This is Stuttgart CMT. I've got this really unusual vehicle here, Vanyx, which I've just found out is the Egyptian goddess of a perfect night. Very unusually shaped vehicle here. You have never seen this one before. I've got Norman here who has at least partially designed it, if not the whole thing. And Norman, what can you say about your vehicle?
Hey, hello. We got here the combination of off-road, luxury. We don't need any camping places or something like that, and we're weight 3 tons in total.
Right, so, well, let's go and have a look inside. When you say you don't need any camping places, what you're thinking of, it's self-sufficient.
Ah, yeah, that's the word I'm searching
yes,
for.
autark, as said in German.
Right.
Yeah, so, I mean, he's got a nice colour scheme. Well, it depends on taste, of course, but I like the colour scheme. So what can you say about the vehicle?
We put both beds upstairs.
So the beds are both up here, yes?
Yeah, right. You can move the height from the bathroom, so you get more space in the bathroom, and or more space in the bedroom, and you can flip both beds up. So you can move this here, I'll put it down again, and this you can move here for more space for bigger persons.
Yes.
Yeah, well, nearly every surface in the car is real wood, real stone, or real leather, except for the Alcantara leather.
Yes.
Yeah. We build a lot of stuff with carbon fiber. So like the roof is carbon fiber, the battery system and the water system, the back door, the beds are made of carbon fiber. As you can see, the sink is made of carbon fiber. Right, as the toilet is completely carbon fiber.
Right. I've never seen one of them before, yeah.
Yeah, we made it ourselves.
Yes.
We designed it, and yeah, we love it. This is all real stone. This is, you get some lightning in there. We got a rain shower up there. So you can put a switch and then the rain goes off, and it works with 2 liters, 2.1 liters a minute. So my wife approved it with her curly hair, that she can wash her hair. Right. Also, we got a real wooden floor with floor heating and cooling, because it's made with air. So the Tuma heats up the floor and then vents in the car.
Yes. Very good. And right, so we've got a bit of storage as well from heat. No, not from here. Sorry, I went the wrong way. This way.
No storage, but here you can dry your ski stuff and wetsuits and stuff like that. You can go from here to put also towels and stuff in there, and from the outside you can put wetsuits and stuff like that in there. That dries in here. We also got an outside shower, if you like. This is pretty typical, right?
And right, so let's come through here, because what I was thinking of is the garage, which is through here, isn't it?
Right,
Yes.
right. Here you can go in the garage, so it's easily accessible from both sides, and you can separate them. Yeah, there's some water in there. And you was filming my foot, so if everyone is wondering, I broke my leg 2 weeks ago, so I don't forget my shoe, right?
Yes, yeah. No, well, it's just as well to point that one out. Yes, I was thinking, should I point it out in the video? So, what about the storage?
We got a lot of storage in here, everywhere. We try to make as much storage as possible, because you go traveling, you need to carry stuff. And you can carry clothes and food and stuff like that. So we got lots of storage everywhere where it's possible. Also under the seat on this area, the kitchen is in here completely. So here you can storage also bigger stuff. And yeah, we also got separated trash cans, so you don't got the trash running around in the car. And they pull out inside and close up.
Now, electric here, induction. What about your battery?
We got 1,200 ampere hours of battery under the car. It was our own construction. So the battery and the water system is completely under the car.
Yeah. And solar?
Solar, we got 800 watts of solar on the roof. So we first choose the solar panels. where we compare different solar panels to each other and choose that one who's on a bad conditions, the best power. And so we got this 800 watts of solar on top of the roof.
Yes. And so like fridges are here, it's one of these domestic ones, opens both ways.
We changed some stuff so it don't blows in here. It blows the hot air in a separate room, so not the AC that's under here and the fridge fight in the summer for cool and warm.
Yes, right. Yeah. So the hot air from it is expelled to the exterior. Yes, and very good. And so coming down to the front here, we got the table. Oh, the table. Yeah, the table's something special about the table.
Yeah, I don't like it to eat where you sit right now. To eat on my legs. Yes. Because you're always sitting like this, and everyone was, I've got a nice place. So I designed this table where you can eat. Yes. Also proper.
So there you go. That's the longest table I know of in any camper van.
And we also got no foot under here, so you can freely move your feet.
Yeah. Yeah, it's what Knaus calls a easy entry.
Yeah, yes. Right. But we are very stable. So I got 2 kids, and they always leaning on these tables, and I was always say, it breaks off. So I designed it that's very stable.
Yes. Yeah. Very, very good. And okay, there's plenty of space above the head because personally I don't like storage above the head in a camper van. What about the windows?
The windows got us. We got these sides SP7. SP7. Sorry.
Yes.
They are specially coated from the outside, so they don't get any scratches. And on in the rooftop, we got glass windows, double insulated glass windows, so it's very quiet if you're in there and can have well rest at the night.
Yes. And shall we have a walk around the outside?
Yeah, if you like.
And
we also got inside. You tell me to put it down. We got an Audiotech Fisher sound system.
Oh yes, yes, I know. I heard that. Yes.
With 18 speakers and 2 areas. Even the subwoofer is under the bed, so it goes on the bed. If you're watching a movie up there and if something loud happens in the movie, you feel it in the bed.
Okay, nice.
I love that point because I love music, so I want to tell about it.
Yeah, that's what they had in cinemas. So I'm sure they still have in cinema. I forgot what it's called. Yeah.
So, if you walk around, you see. I don't know. You see it on the back maybe, on the front. Sorry. We got our own rims. We got our own suspension system. It's a fully air, so there's no spring in there. So we can go completely down and completely up.
Yeah.
This is storage area. But it's a prototype, so there is some space to some stuff that's not 100% ready.
Yeah.
Also, because you see the hole in there, I don't like that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sure. No, that's fair enough. I mean, an event like this, you expect things to be a prototype. But these vehicles built to order, so it's not. That's not a. At least it's not a problem for me.
he got the water filling in here. You got the grey water filling and fresh water filling. Yes. We can fill the grey water tank with also 100 liters of water. And we got a filter system that allows us to recycle the water that's in the grey water. So you can have 700 liters of water to use if you are somewhere where you can not have any water. And the next point is you can put nearly every water in there, and the system is filtering for fresh water and drinkable water.
Yes, like Cara water, for example, something like that.
Yeah, it's a system for Cara water. Yes, but we slightly change it a bit.
Yes. Okay.
So, on the other side, you see our dry room, where you can put your clothes. That's accessible from the outside. Here you also change the toilet, so you don't need to go with this bucket through the car.
Yes.
Because everything is a bit smelly after that. So we put it here so you don't smell it.
Yeah.
So when you walk around, you see the rims and the tires. We also got I don't know the English explanation.
You got what? Say it in German.
Unterfahrschutz. So it saves
the undercarriage.
Made of carbon fiber and Kevlar. So it's pretty light but very strong. We also got lighting around the car. Here also you see good the starlight roof.
Yeah.
And if we go through here, you see the cameras for the 360-degree camera system. Yeah. You can see everything. And This is our lovely front. It's pretty durable. You got a lot
I've
of
noticed
lighting
you've got
in there.
some. You've added a something to the coating.
It's a special coating. It's a military grade coating. Also the TGV from France, the train.
Okay,
use this in the front.
Yeah.
It's extremely durable, so you nearly not make any scratches in there. So if you go to the forest scratches not your car.
Yes.
So that's the main point on that. It's made for you go outside and do stuff and don't need to care about everything.
Yes. And so it's got a snorkel.
Yeah, right.
And how much water can it go? The depth of water.
Right. That depends on the version. In the full version, we got the problem that the air condition that's in there need to have the air outside of the floor.
Yeah.
So we're right about somewhere like this.
Yeah.
In the pure version, where the AC is not included, we can go to the height of this.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
But it's also made for sand.
Yes.
If you got a dusty sand, you put on I don't know, cyclone on that, so you can have fresh air for the engine.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, well, we've got this vacuum. Oh, stop now! Stop now! As we've run out of things to say, that stops. I've also got lighting at the front, like
It's also made
LED.
of carbon fiber.
Yeah.
It's very, very bright.
Yes.
We also got lighting around the car. We also got lighting up here. And also on the other side, we put it up because the fair is over right now for today. So we started putting everything out, and you can make it even white, and then you got a lot of lightning if you're in the forest or somewhere else.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So thanks for showing it. I'll leave a link to it below in the video, and so all the best from
Thank you.
from us.
Thank you for visiting us.